Hi, it's Handy Val with my 1992 Mercedes Benz convertible. Today I will show you how to change this car's engine intake air temperature sensor. It's an easy change, so let's get to it. The intake air temperature sensor, also known as the IAT, is used by the car's engine computer to determine the correct air-fuel mixture the car requires. This impacts your acceleration, hard cold starts, as well as fuel economy. Now my car doesn't appear to be having any of these conditions, but since it's a simple and cheap replacement, I decided to do it. So let's get to it. So here you go. You can see it over here. This is it. Okay? And that's the part we're going to be replacing. Okay, now this is the part, and you can tell that's what we're going to need to take out, okay? So there's a two-prong connector over there that we're going to need to sort of, let's first take this one out, and you can sort of tell it's got a couple of clips over there. Sort of hang on to them, turn it, and it should just come out. Now you can see this one's awfully rusty. Trying to tell there, it's probably not, but who knows, it seems to be working just fine. But again, it was a simple fix. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to pull it out of here. Okay, so you're going to want to, there you go, quite simple. Okay, take that one out. We're going to put the new one in. Make sure you line them up properly. As you can tell, the two connectors in this, it looks like there's three of them, but there's only two metal connectors on the inside, and we're going to connect it with this one. Make sure you push it in all the way. Make sure the connection is there. And again, so maybe from this side, you could sort of tell. There's only one way you could put this in. So if you try it that way, it won't work. Okay? See the holes? So you gotta turn it a bit, squeeze it in there, and then give it a turn. There you go, and that's it. Make sure it's connected. Make sure it's there. Now, that's it. Quite a simple fix. I'm not sure if I'm going to notice any difference. I'll post something in the comments, in the video description. I'll also put the part number in the video description so you can buy your own. Now, this is a 300 SL. 500 SL, I believe there's two of them, and I think the part number is exactly the same. So you might want to look for that. Thank you, and thanks for watching Handy Val.